Welcome to a culinary journey into the heart of Sichuan flavors with our featured dish, Red Braised Pork Trotters. A delectable masterpiece that transforms humble pork feet into a symphony of taste and texture. Let's dive into the art of crafting this savory delight. To begin, we start with 3 pounds of pork feet, meticulously cleaned, hair removed, and cut into generous chunks. Our culinary canvas unfolds with a fragrant medley of ingredients, including ginger, scallions, cinnamon, star anise, sugar, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and bay leaves. The culinary alchemy begins by boiling the pork feet. Discarding the water, and pan frying until they achieve a tantalizing golden brown hue. In the same pot, a dance of aromatics unfolds as ginger, scallions, cinnamon, and star anise infuse the surroundings with their fragrance. The sugar takes center stage, melting into a rich caramel that sets the tone for the robust flavors to come. As we stir in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and Shaoxing wine, the pot comes alive with a symphony of tastes, each ingredient contributing to the complex and savory profile. The pork feet make their grand return, absorbing the rich concoction before being bathed in a savory pool of water. Bay leaves join the ensemble, and the lid is sealed for a slow and flavorful simmer, allowing the magic to unfold over an hour and a half. Unveiling the pot reveals a rich, reduced sauce that clings to the succulent pork trotters. A final burst of heat reduces the sauce to perfection, bringing our red braised pork trotters to life. Get ready to savor this culinary masterpiece, where each bite tells a tale of tradition, meticulous preparation, and the rich tapestry of Sichuan cuisine. Red Braised Pork Trotters, a celebration of flavors that transcends the ordinary, inviting you to experience the heart and soul of Chengdu's culinary heritage.